and today we are cooking pasta. I'm going to show you how to cook that. Well, you know, I guess everyone knows pasta, but you know, doing today and reviewing it too. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll show you some cooking. Mark. Yeah, you know, and I hope you guys are okay and doing well. You know, some of these videos have been about cinemas and all that, and yeah, peace out. Peace. Just gotta cook some pasta. It's like steam. It's not bad, is it? This is the sauce I'm going to use, the pasta sauce, tomato and herb. Queen. And if there's any, like, you know, food you want me to cook, or, you know, review, or drinks will do very well as well. But no, if you want me to show more content like this, like food or anything, or normal vlogs. And I've got a vlog coming, not yet, but it'll be my birthday. My birthday is next Friday. My sister's is the week after. I'm gonna go chill with her, celebrate her birthday, and do a vlog then. And it'll probably release a few days after it. But yeah, let's go back to the cooking. Peace out. Yeah, and like, thank you for. Hello guys, thank you. I'm gonna say thank you to Jody Vlogs for booking our tickets to see Michael Jackson. Basically, that rip off of him, and I'll pay you back. In when I get paid, and I can't wait to have you over. You know, in funny, like showing you around Birmingham as well, and you know, because you've never been here, like in Birmingham before, so I thought, yeah, why not? Come on, you can always stay around. And yeah, we're gonna have lots of funny. But yeah, I'll show you the pasta when it's done. Peace out. And this is what the pasta looks like. I'm gonna give it a taste test. Yeah. Give it a taste test. Let's have one more. Nice. Recommend, you know, doing your homemade pasta. And you know, and maybe it's good. You know, it's up to you if you do it or not. But let me know what you guys cook and any suggestions for me. And this has been Mark Vlogs. Hope you subscribe, like, share the video, and see the previous video, and subscribe to grow. Mark Vlogs out.